Hey everyone, building a website can be exciting, but it can also feel stressful if you are not a designer or don't have technical skills. Maybe you want a personal portfolio, a landing page, a link page for your social media accounts, or a simple business site. Something clean and professional without paying for a complicated platform. That's why our card comes in. Card is a lightweight, simple website builder that lets you create beautiful one page sites quickly and without any code. Today, we are going to look at what Card is, how it works, what feature it has, and whether it is worth to using for your next project. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools without any confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description if you want to try Card by using the description link, and a free trial or a special offer they will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's talk about what exactly is Card. In the simplest terms, Card is an online website builder designed for creating clean and responsive one page websites. It's not trying to replace big website builders with multiple pages and complex stores. Instead, it focuses on simplicity and speed. If you want professional looking landing page, a personal profile site or a simple portfolio, you can do that with Card in minutes. You don't have to learn how to code, and you do not need any advanced skills like designing or any other. All of that makes Card perfect for beginners, creators, freelancers, and anyone who just wants to get online fast. When you first open the card, you are presented with a wide variety of templates. For example, there are templates for link pages, portfolio pages, coming soon pages, and many more. Once you pick a template that fits your needs, you can start editing it right away using the card visual editor. The editor works like the drag and drop. You click one section, text, images, or buttons, and then you just change them to match your brand. You can edit colors, fonts, layout order, spacing, and more, all without touching a single line of code. One of the things that people love most about Card is the responsiveness. Any site you build automatically adjusts to look great on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. This is important because so many people browse the internet on their phones now. With Card, you don't have to build separate mobile versions or guess if your site looks okay. It just works. That saves a lot of time and energy, especially if you're not a web designer. Card also allows you to add interactive elements like contact form, sign up forms, embedded videos, and custom button. You can link your forms to email tools like ConvertKit or MailChimp, so visitors who sign up on your site, they can go straight into your newsletter list. You can add PayPal or Stripe button for simple online payments. You can even embed the third-party code like widgets, calendars, or music players. This means that while Card is simple, it can still work for projects that need a bit more functionality than just static text and images. Another big advantage of Card is its pricing. Card offers a free plan with basic features, which is great if you are just starting or testing the platform. The free version allows you to create up to few sites and the card branding appears on the footer. But if you want your own custom domain, more advanced forms, payment buttons, and removing the branding, the paid plans very affordable. Basically, if I compare it to many other website builders, you get a lot of value for the price, especially when your focus is simple and effective. Now let's talk about some limitation. Card is not meant to replace the full website platform like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix. If you need complex multi-page sites, e-commerce is store with hundred of products or advanced membership systems. Basically, Card focuses on one page site and it does that extremely well. If your goal is simplicity, focus, and speed, then Card is perfect. But if tomorrow you want a full business website with dozens of pages and deep e-commerce features, you might need a more powerful platform for that. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand better about card, then like this video, subscribe this channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to use link from description so any free trial or special offer is applied automatically. And I will see you in the next video where we explore more tools that help you to build and grow online.